Now we understand what are the DMIT test report benefits for the students, age group 11 to 25 years. So let's understand what are the benefits you get for the students with this DMIT report. The first benefit is multiple intelligence. I would like to stress more on this part because especially 11 to 25 years is the very crucial age development. There are a lot of hormonal gets changes and the brain modulations and bandwidths, it's going to be increased in the different way. So it is better to understand that multiple intelligence is going to start reflecting after 11 years. So what is multiple intelligence? Okay, intelligence is nothing but it's a simple. So nowadays you see that my son or the daughter has got matured. Matured means is nothing but they are start thinking intelligently. Once they get matured, that intelligence starts reflecting in there. So it is better to work on the multiple intelligence by knowing the DMIT report. So generally for ladies they get matured, girls they get matured nowadays mostly with 12, 13 and 14 years, the boys little 1 or 2 years later. Okay, the maturity is nothing but they got a something right and wrong, which is right and which is wrong, they start thinking on that, they get an cognitive ability to understand what is right and wrong. So that is nothing but a multiple intelligence. So multiple intelligence start reflecting with this age group 11 to 25 years. It is always recommend to work on this age group only. If you want to work on, if you want to improve the multiple intelligence, if you want to know your multiple intelligence, it is the right age. Okay, so this is the first thing, you get the multiple intelligence of your son or the daughter, you can say the students. Now the next is that again personality and behaviors. So because of this intelligence, maybe you heard of before 10 years what they were able to see their personality and behavior, it may be changed after the maturity of them. That doesn't mean that they don't have that behavior. They have that behavior, based on that behavior and that intelligence what they get after this 11 years, intelligence and the behavior starts working correlations. So it will change your attitude. Multiple intelligence personality compositions, what it reflects, the projection of intelligence and personality will becomes your attitude. So it is better to know the personality and behaviors so that you can understand what is their attitude. So if they are with the right direction, it's well and fine. If they are not with the right directions, it is better to work with their behaviors and characteristics. Now the important thing with this age group is the cognitive ability. See, cognitive ability is nothing but again it is something which you understand which is right and which is not right, which is correct, which is not correct. So that's the ability they get with this age group, and somebody has more or less, somebody cognitive ability is more, somebody is less. So you can know from the report what are their cognitive ability, problem solving ability. So all those can be known from the cognitive ability. Now this is most important here, this age group especially for 11 to 25 years, people get often difficulties with this focus and concentration, especially in terms of the study. Okay, so this will help you to do study counseling. I'll just explain detailedly what is study counseling. Study counseling is nothing but if any problem or they are able to find difficulties in their academics, whatever they are able to find difficulties in their academics, what we understand, what we diagnose, what is the issue and what is the solutions we provide, that is called study counseling. So with this DMIT report, you can know what is the study counseling. Study counseling means is there any problem with reading ability, writing ability, memory formations, learning styles, recalling ability, especially in terms of the examination. Sometimes they are not able to write in examinations, they were able to explain verbally, but they cannot write in examinations. So all those things comes with the study counseling, with the paragraphs and with the slides, with the percentages, with the bars and charts. We give you a complete report, what is the issue and what is the solution for that. Now the subject selections. Okay, so once you complete your 10th standard, okay, that metric, after the metric or the 10th standard, if you want to select subjects compositions, for example, if you want to go for science, if you want to go for arts, or whatever the commerce or subject, so what subject selection? If it is science, PCMC, PCMB, there are many combinations you have. So what subject selection should be good for them? That can be known from the reports. So this will definitely help you to choose the compositions of your subject selections. Now the most important is the career counseling. Out of 100 students, I am telling you in generally, if there is 100 students, out of 100 students, 95% of the people has a confusion which is the best career for them, whether to go for science, arts, commerce, because nowadays new NEP has came, new education policy has been introduced. So there is a lot of options you have now, okay, not like the previous one. And also presently there are a lot of trends is also changing. Nowadays AI has been introduced. This 2023 is the era of AI. So it is the most important criteria that you have to choose the best career for them. After the career counseling, there will be a career guidance. After selection of which is the best career for them, there is a career guidance is required. Career guidance is nothing but what is the best college for that particular selected career and how your path should be. Suppose you have decided to go for MBA finance, so first to reach that MBA finance, first what you have to do after PU or whatever, then after the PU what degree has to take, and then what is your master degree. So this is what we call as a career guidance. In the career guidance is all about subject selections, college selections, even it is India or the other country. See all the possible options with the present trends, and also there is a lot of new career options is going to be introduced in the present world, that also been considered as per the reports. And also for example MBA finance, there is a very long time it is there. For example now there is a digital marketing. So most of the presently in 2023 digital marketing is a big boom. So that based on that report, whether that candidate is suitable for that present trend, that is digital marketing or the business analyst, there are a lot of other options we have. So that is going to be known from the career guidance. The most important factor again is that most of the students are not able to focus on the academics. That means they are not showing much interested to study. So it is because of their focus and concentration issue. So to improve your focus and concentration, we have to know first what is their weaknesses, why they are not able to focus and concentrate. So first we will diagnose that, and once you understand what is the reason which is not focusing or which is the reason it is not able to concentrate, then we will work on that. There is a different modules we have. For example TFAR. TFAR is a one module, thoughts, feelings, action and results. So once you work on that TFAR module, we can definitely improve the focus and concentration. This is a one example TFAR, but there is a different methodology or the different therapy or the different things, we have a solution for focus and concentration. So we can also know from the DMIT reports.